Hello viewers, collectors, and slot car racers. Welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode, we have a vintage 124 scale Ford F100 pickup. This pickup comes with a new old stock Strombecker motor, gears, wheels, new deep guide blade, new tires, dual brass braids, stainless steel micro ball bearing bushings for optimum performance, a highly customized Spirit of America livery, easily accessible motor from the top as well as the bottom via a Velcro cover. The engine is also highly detailed, including spark plug wires and metal caps, fuel lines, brake lines, and more. Custom driver, and a very overall nice runner. So let's go ahead and give this a test run on our track, take a few pictures, and it will be available for sale on our online store. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so that you're alerted anytime we post a new car for sale. And with that said, let's hit the track. Thanks for watching this week's episode. As always, check out all of our other great cars on our online store, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, and we'll see you next time.